Need help? Oh man, I got a tow strap, so
Okay.
I think I could get you out.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
All right, so I see this right here. I'm Nick, by the way.
Anthony, nice
I have a mobile automotive repair business, so
appreciate it.
So there should be a little thing in your car somewhere that we can bolt into here. Let me move back just a little bit, and then is there a spare tire or anything like a spare tire kit? Because that's where that would be located. I'll help you take a look. All right. You want to show me back here real quick? There may be a little, like a, I don't know if they take all this stuff out, you know? Yeah, and there's no compartments or anything. Let's see. And then you got a side door over here. So, let me look in here. Nice. I think this is it. We are good. So there's that. You want to look on that side and see, because it looks like this kit has everything but that. There's that side now. Nothing. And so what I'm looking, oh, here it is. I see it. So this screws in right here, and now I can hook my tow strap up. So this thing, is it front wheel drive, all wheel drive, or do you know? Because it looks like your rear tires was spinning.
Yeah, I couldn't tell you.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull here, I'm gonna hook my tow rope up, and then I'll get you to like straighten it out, and then we'll just pull it straight. Okay, tow rope. I may need to remove all this stuff. Let's see, so here we go. Let me get a 19. Hey, could you come here for a sec? So I'm gonna have to just lift this thing off. It's a little heavy, but I'm gonna just need you. We're gonna lift it like this, pull it out, and then we'll just set it over here in the grass. Out of the way. Okay. Let's see, now I'm gonna hook this. Let me get into better position, and then we'll be good. So now this is a pretty dangerous corner, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna back up, get straight, and then shit. Yeah, this is gonna be super dangerous, honestly, because we're right on a corner and it's kind of blind. So when I start pulling, you know, put it in drive and then just kind of ease it out. Let's see. All right, let's see what happens. Can the old Jeep do it? Of course she can. Haha! Look at that. Oh, this made my day. All right, let's go disconnect.
Thank you so much, Nick.
Of course.
Appreciate it so much, man.
Of course. Would you mind help loading me
sure will.
back up? All right. All right. So you'll just swing around. That should be good.
Good.
All right,
Thanks
back
again,
on your
buddy.
route.
Take care, all right?
All right, man.
Appreciate it.
Of course. Yes, sir. There you go,
buddy.
man. Of course.
Appreciate it.
Guys, that was freaking awesome. Oh my God, that's such a good feeling. I'm so glad that I was able to help him. Oh man, back on the route, and so are we. All right, guys, if you like that, please subscribe to the channel. All right, peace out.